Imagine two friends pushing a stuck car. One pushes forward, the other pushes sideways. Where does the car actually go? That's what vectors help us figure out. A vector is a quantity with both size and direction. We draw it as an arrow. The arrow's length shows the size, and where it points shows the direction. To add vectors, place the second vector's tail at the first vector's tip. This is called tip to tail. The resultant goes from where you started to where you ended. To subtract vectors, flip the second vector's direction to get -b. Then add as normal, tip to tail. Subtracting is just adding the opposite direction. Example 1. Add a equals 3 2 to b equals 1 4. Add the top numbers, 3 plus 1 is 4. Add the bottom numbers, 2 plus 4 is 6. The answer is 4 6. Let's see this on a graph. Vector A goes 3 right, 2 up. From its tip, vector B goes 1 right, 4 up. The resultant arrow from the origin gives us 4 6. Example 2. Subtract Q from P. Top numbers, 5 minus 2 is 3. Bottom numbers, 3 minus 7 is -4. Our answer is 3 -4. On the graph we draw P first. Then we flip Q to get -Q and place it tip to tail. The resultant points right and downward, giving us 3 -4. Common mistake. Students mix up the rows, subtracting top from bottom of different vectors. Always subtract top with top, bottom with bottom. Keep each row separate. Remember, same row, same flow. Add tops together, add bottoms together. For subtraction, flip the second vector first, then add. That's your exam trick. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes and practice questions. See you in the next video.